Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do a very detailed eyebrow tutorial, long overdue. So I start off by taking my spoolie and I just brush my hairs in that direction, and then I get the eyebrow pencil, and as you can see I'm just doing slow, like light strokes. Sometimes you can outline the bottom, but pretty much I pretty much know how to do it this way. I just go and keep doing little light strokes, not too dark. And then I'm going to start on the other side. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on that um, right eyebrow. And I'm just going to continue my light strokes, following my arch. Now, if you don't have an arch, then you would have to learn how to make an arch. But you pretty much just follow the shape of your brows, and then you can probably add like a little deeper arch at the top. So now, as you can see, I'm getting a line. I'm gonna put that line just like that in the front, but we will be clearing that out with this spoolie. You guys, make sure your brows are lined up. Like, your brows do not supposed to be past that, okay? I'm so tired of seeing y'all brows like past this line. Okay, so I want to stroke up. We're going to stroke up with the pencil. And then after this, we're going to get the spoolie. You're just going to keep, you know, it's a process. You have to trust the process. So you're going to be doing a lot of steps over and over again. So I'm brushing my hairs to the side, and then I'm going to go up, up, and then you just brush, and that front part is supposed to be lighter. A lot of people, I don't know, you like your brows how you like your brows, but that top part is supposed to be like an ombre look, not dark, really dark. Too dark is not how they're supposed to look on the ends. But as you can see, I'm just basically repeating all of the steps. And when I first started doing my brows, it was a process. I looked like a clown. Definitely looked like a clown. But the more and more I practiced, I got it right. So now I'm going to be taking some concealer, and then I'm going to start at the bottom. It really doesn't matter where you start at. Sometimes I start in the middle. Sometimes I start on the end. But as you can see, I'm applying that concealer in a downward motion. And I'm just going to keep doing that. And this concealer is, what concealer is that? I don't know. I don't know. But it's from Ulta. I forgot the name of it. I have so many, but I don't remember by heart right now. So as you can see, I'm just going to go over the top. And I have not blended that concealer in at the bottom. So you still see it. So yeah, just more blending. This is really like, it takes patience, y'all. A lot of blending. Whole lot of blending. And we're just going to do the side the same way. And just basically like lining it up and drawing. As you can see, your brows really, if you already have an arch, it's really super, super easy. You see, you just lining it up. You just making that line straight as possible. And yeah, it's not hard, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take my small beauty blender and just get all of that concealer inside of my skin. Oh, excuse me, y'all. So at this point, I'm not done. Like I said, it's a process. You gotta trust the process. So take that spoolie, go up. Basically, like I said, that part right there should be ombre. not too dark. And then I'm going to just check myself out and see what else I need to do. And I'm pretty sure I did other stuff along the way. But yeah, that's the brows. And that's just a little quick 5-minute tutorial. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you.